Nobody likes to get their roof replaced. It's expensive and can get complicated. But sometimes there's just no other choice. So here are 5 warning signs to know that you're going to need a roof replacement. Warning sign number 1, mold. Do a visual check of your roof. If you notice any mold on your rooftop or underneath from the inside, that is a sure sign that you're going to need a roof replacement. The mold means that the water is being trapped, causing the wood from the roof to be seriously damaged, and will surely have to be replaced. Warning sign number 2, bubbles and blisters. If you notice bubbles or blisters on your roof, it is another sign that moisture is being trapped in between the roofing layers. As the sun beats down on the roof, these pockets will expand and possibly crack, creating a large problem for the roof and another sign that the roof will have to be replaced. Warning sign number 3, roof age. Knowing your roof's age can give you a clear idea to whether your roof needs to be replaced. Once the roof has reached or exceeds its average lifespan, it will probably need to be replaced altogether. Warning sign number 4, damaged flashings. No matter what type of roofing material you have, you should always inspect the flashing. Flashing is installed around chimneys, skylights, and other items that interrupt the shingles, metal panels, or other materials. Look for any cracks or breaks in it. Warning sign number 5, leaks. A leak in your roof doesn't always mean you have to replace it, but sometimes it does. If the roof has numerous leaks along with all the other signs I mentioned, that is a telltale sign that the roof will need to be replaced. If you're unsure about your roof, you can get your roof checked out by a roofing professional for free, because most roofing companies offer free roof inspections. So if you're unsure, be sure to call a roofing professional to get your roof checked out as soon as possible.
That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time, and take care.